Hello everyone, we will start by solving the question for Edexcel GCE 2013 exam. Part A, using calculus, find the exact coordinates of the turning points of the curve with equation y equal fx. In order to obtain the coordinates of the turning points, we must first obtain the derivative of f. As we see here, we have x squared times e power 2x. We can apply this rule to them to make the derivative. So we have this form. As for minus 16, it becomes 0 because the derivative for any constant number is 0. Here we did some calculation and we have this form. Now in the second step, we write f prime x equal 0. Here we can take the common factor and we have this form. Now when we have this form, this means 50x times e power 2x equal 0 or 1 plus x equal 0. And in this way we obtained x equal 0 or x equal minus 1. We now obtain abscissa. Now we must obtain the ordinate. So in place of the x, we write its value, which is 0, and we obtain the ordinate. Also, in place of x, we write its value, which is minus 1, and we get ordinate. We now move to part B, show that the equation of x equals 0 can be written as x equal plus minus 4 over 5 e power minus x. Fx equals 0, meaning that 25x power 2 times e power 2x minus 16 equals 0. We can now put minus 16 to after the equal, so it becomes plus 16, and in this way we can get x. We now move to part C. The equation of x equals 0 has a root alpha, where alpha equals 0.5 to 1 decimal place. Part C, starting with x0 equals 0.5, use the iteration formula to calculate the value of x1, x2, and x3, giving your answer to 3 decimal places. x1 equal x, 0 plus 1, meaning that n equal 0, and in this way we have obtained x1. x2 equal x, 1 plus 1, meaning that n equal 1, and in this way we have obtained x2. x3 equal x2 plus 1, meaning that n equal 2, and in this way we have obtained x3. We now move to part D. Give an accurate estimate for alpha to 2 decimal places and justify your answer. As we know, the alpha here is the root, meaning that f alpha equal 0 because alpha is root. So f alpha equal 0, meaning that the alpha is present on the x-axis. If we do f 0.485, we will get a negative answer. And if we do f 0.495, we will get positive answer. This is evidence that alpha exists between 0.485 and 0.495, meaning that alpha is approximately equal to 0.49.